In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view daily reports in Hubstaff. Understanding how to access and interpret these reports is crucial for effectively managing time and productivity, whether you're overseeing a team or just keeping track of your own daily activities. Let's get started by navigating to the Reports section of Hubstaff. When you first log into your Hubstaff account, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. From here, you want to look at the menu options available. You'll notice several different categories, but the one we're interested in today is the Reports section. To find this, look along the side of your screen until you see the option labeled Reports. It's typically located on the left-hand side and shouldn't be too hard to spot. Go ahead and click on Reports. This action will lead you to a new page dedicated to various reporting features. You're now on the threshold of accessing some powerful insights into work hours, productivity, and more. Now that you've reached the Reports page, you'll see several report types on offer. The one relevant to finding daily data is the daily totals. Take a close look at the list of reporting options until you identify daily totals. Clicking on daily totals will display a report that gives you a thorough overview of the total hours tracked each day. This feature allows you to delve into the specifics of each day's activities. The power of daily totals lies in its ability to break down the big picture into smaller, more manageable parts. As you peruse the daily totals report, you'll notice that it organizes information by date, clearly indicating the number of hours worked on each particular day. This can be especially useful for understanding patterns, identifying anomalies, or simply verifying logged work time. A useful tip while reviewing these reports is to pay attention to trends, such as consistent productivity on certain days or unexpected declines on others. This can give you valuable insights into workflows and help in decision-making or future planning. If you're new to using these detailed reports, it might look a bit overwhelming at first, but don't worry. With a little practice, you'll quickly become adept at picking out the essential data you need. And remember, there's always the option to adjust the time frame you're reviewing if you need to expand beyond just daily insights to identify longer-term trends. In summary, accessing and interpreting daily reports in Hubstaff is a straightforward process. By clicking on a couple of options, you unlock a wealth of information that can aid in monitoring performance and enhancing productivity. As always, if you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to explore the Help section or contact Hubstaff support for additional assistance. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this skill enhances your time management and productivity effectively.